A trade doesn't fail because of the market, it fails generally because of the knowledge behind it. In my early days, I used to constantly ask myself, am I trading with real depth or I am just doing guesswork with some extra steps to adjustments? Asking that question to myself and then working on it really helped me to understand a lot of nuances of the market. To help you all to build that understanding and depth, I try to cover real market scenarios on this channel. Today, I will show you the simplest adjustment to one of the most rewarding strategies if done properly. Welcome to another video by the Option School. This is your friend Pradeep Singla. You're most welcome to join our YouTube WhatsApp community. Link is given in the description. We give you pre-market report every day morning. We take you to the trade on first day of May. 4th was the first day, 9:30 am. Now, the scenario analysis is that, okay, we had a very high VIX in March. It started going down in April and it was fairly okay in the beginning of May. We need to be really cautious whether the VIX will go down or not. The trade which I am showing definitely gets badly affected in case the VIX goes down. But still, through our adjustments, through our understanding how we can save the trade with a very simple adjustment. I'm not showing any complex things, very simple adjustment. Anybody can understand this very easily. So let us see the trade. So morning 9:30, I will start the trade. Let us say I'm always interested in monthly strategies. So 26th May, market is somewhere close to 24,215. What I will do, I will create a trade at 24,300. I will sell this call and I will buy a call of June. So which is this trade? All of you know this. I buy a call of June. So what happens now? I have created a trade which is giving me a decent space of around 600 points on the downside and almost 1000 points on the upside, which is definitely a good range, 1600 points without any loss. When will I adjust this trade? I will adjust this trade in case market breaches any of the break-even point. How much money is required? As of now, it is showing me it requires around 91,000 rupees. Maximum profit 18,000 rupees. Excellent. Maximum loss 15,000 rupees. Risk reward is 1:1.2. Now here we need to understand this maximum loss will never happen because in this trade we are using two different expiries. I am selling 24,300 of 26th May and I am buying 24,300 of 30th June. All of you please write in the comment section what is the name of this exact strategy and I am going to show you how to manage this strategy even when the break-even point is breached. And also keep a very cautious eye on the blue line. This also helps us sometimes to delay our decision of doing an adjustment even if we are very close to the break-even point. For better reach and visibility, request all of you to please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. All likes and subscribers are very precious to us. Thank you. And if you see, as per Greeks, as of now, delta of the selling call is 0.52 and delta of buying call is 0.55. Overall, it is almost delta neutral trade, right? Why I'm saying delta? Because it can become important in doing this kind of adjustment. Let us say I'm keeping it only in one lot so that we are very clear when I have done the adjustment and what is the premise behind that adjustment. So next day, okay, market has moved down, but still it has not breached any of the break-even points and still there is hardly any profit and loss. 104 rupees is nothing. Next day, okay. Now it is giving me very clear 1.7%. Imagine if I have done this in let us say 5-6 lots. If I do it in let us say 5 lots, I am already plus by 7,000 rupees, right? So go for percentage return, which gives you more clear idea rather than looking at absolute return. So everything is safe and sound. There is no issue. So we will not do any adjustment, not required to do any adjustment as of now. Next day, okay, market has gone up. Still everything is very safe. Both the break-even points are far away. And see now the blue line has started rising up, which is a good signal for the trade. Next day, again, nothing much has happened. Next day, now market has given a big dip, although I'm still in profit, but yes, now I should be very cautious what is going to happen in the market. And already we are at May 11th. This is a short month because this month started from 4th of May and expiry is 26th of May. So this is a short month, right? Let's see. Next, now it has gone below the lower break-even point. My lower break-even point is 23658 in this trade and market is already 23637. I am not doing it after every half an hour. I am just seeing what is happening at morning 9:30. So morning 9:30, it has already gone below my lower break-even point. What should I be doing now? Now, if I see my sold call is 24,300 of 26th May, my purchased call is 24,300 of 30th June. My sold call is now at a delta of minus 0.23, but my purchase call is at a delta of 0.38, which clearly means in case market goes down, my purchased call will start giving me more loss compared to whatever profit my sold call will give. Right. So here I need to do a small adjustment. What I will do, I will just clear off this 24,300 call of May and go to option chain 26th May. I will try to sell something which is around similar delta, whatever is there on my purchase call. So it shows me if I sell 23,950, it is almost 0.38 delta, but let me go to 00 number, it's always more liquid. So I will sell 24,000 call of 26th May. If I do this, see what has happened. I have got some extra space on the lower side. Now my lower break-even point is 23,361, whereas market is at 23,637. So I have got almost 300 points of extra buffer on the lower side. Upper side, I'm still okay, 24,472. Market is 23,637. So I have 700, 800 points. So there is no issue. So only one simple adjustment I have done. I have scared off 24,300 call of May and brought it down to 24,000. Why 24,000? I have already given you the reason. Right? Let us now see what happens to this trade. We are already in the middle of the month. Next day, market has again gone down. My break-even point is 23,301, but market is at 23,367. I can definitely wait. Next, okay, market has gone up a bit. There is no issue at all. Next, market has now done a good smart recovery. And important is that, okay, market is within that green area. Market is within that green area. That is very important. Next day, we see, okay, again, very close to my lower break-even point, although I'm in a profit. But my lower break-even point, if you see very carefully, because of now blue line, it is 23,289 and market is 23,372. I still need not do any adjustment. Next day, again, there is a recovery and I am making 2.8% in this trade, which is a nice profit. But since I am still sitting on a middle of a green payoff diagram, I can still wait or I can book. Like if I have done 5-6 lots here, I would definitely like to book the trade. But since here I am showing the example of only one lot, we are not using that partial booking as a profit locking strategy in this case, so that we are able to learn how to handle the strategy, right? So next, again, touching lower break-even point almost, but still not crossing it. I can still sit in the trade. I still have 2% profit. I have ample choice that, okay, anytime I feel that, okay, trade is giving me profit, I can take profit. Next, okay, there is a smart recovery. Again, I'm making 4.2%. This is the point where I should definitely book my profit in the trade. Just for academic sake, we are seeing what happens next. Again, making very good profit, 3133 in one set. And on Monday, we are making 3562, which is excellent profit, 4.4%. Generally, I do not want to keep this trade on expiry day because the margin requirements increase. But let us say if we maintain it, it is giving me a beautiful profit of 4323, which is more than 5%. And by end of day also, if you see 5882, which is almost 7%. Now in this trade, you must need to learn what has happened. If I show you the 24,000 call which we sold has become absolutely zero and it was sold at 199 rupees. This analysis is very, very important for each and every trader. Why you got this profit? Because it was sold at 199 rupees, it had given me 199 rupees. Had I maintained my 24,300 call which I sold originally, it was at that time 110. Even this 110 would have become zero. But now instead of 110, 199 has become zero. So I have made approximately 89 rupees extra. And 89 rupees extra means that is my whole profit. 582 means my whole profit in this trade is because I did a good adjustment in the trade. How to do right kind of adjustments? How can you take care of right kind of entry in the trade? How can you log the profits in the trade? All these things we have explained very well with 12 months of actual backtesting on real data in our workshops, which are for calendar spreads, which are for iron fly, which are for iron condor also. I have today shown you a very, very simple adjustment. In this scenario, this adjustment worked, but there can be another scenario in which this adjustment may not be sufficient. You need to know little bit more than that. So how to sail through different kinds of markets This we have explained very well in a right kind of a framework with 12 months of backtesting. In 12 months, you get to know each and every kind of move of the market. If you want to enroll for these workshops, you can contact the numbers given on the screen. I will again request, it is always better to have a 10-15 minutes telephonic conversation rather than using chats. And in chats, there can be a lot of confusion. Chat can go for a day also. Still, both the parties are not able to clarify their point. You are not able to clear your doubt. We are not able to justify the strategy. So better, if possible, if time permits, you can have a 10 to 15 minutes conversation, and we definitely attend to calls even till 9 o'clock in the night. In addition to this, we have 3 kinds of membership which give you real depth of knowledge for strategies or concepts or adjustments. And we are regularly posting videos in these memberships. If you wish, you can definitely join one of the memberships also. I am leaving you with another very interesting adjustment video. Hope you will definitely like it. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.